Hey everyone, and we're back. So we're gonna be coding for our little project here. Um, I wanted to do this so that way everyone knows how the code works, how it does. When I eventually get this out and going, there's gonna be no. I don't believe there's gonna be any hardware changes. For this. So it's just more or less, um, just trying to figure out where everything goes. Better parts, better stuff, better layout of the board, but it's gonna be generally the same, and it's gonna run the same code. So I want to get this working. So what I have here is a standard Blink code. This was to check if the Arduino was running before I threw it on. So I just uploaded a code so it worked, so that I could see that the LED is blinking like it is right now. What we want to do now is actually change this so we have our LEDs actually running that are on the board. I'm going to change it to 12 because I believe 12 through something, I forget what it is. Yep, there we go. 12 is blue, 11 should be green. Upload that one. Yep, and we're just going to change this, the int up here. What was that? 12? Wait, no. 12, 11, so 10 should be yellow. There we go, we got yellow going. 9. Why did I put 09? Yeah, just 9. Arduino doesn't like that. The Arduino software does not like that. And then we got 8. Alright. Let's see what 8 does. Because... there we go. Yep, we got the special one running. Cool. Alright. So 12 through 8 are going to be our LEDs. Yep. Okay. Now, next comes just to check to see if all the buttons work. So we're going to look at the button code. We're going to change this to... what was it? 12 for the blue one? And then we want to change the button pin to something that's on the dip. And we're looking at the schematic. And it looks like... okay, so that's 7, 6, 5, and 4 should be the buttons. So 7, 6, 5, 4 should be the buttons. Alright. So let's go for 7. And done uploading. Alright, so if I flip... is it this one? Yep. Oh, wait, no. Okay, so I flipped that switch, so it's good. If I unflip the switch, it should turn off. Good. If I flip the switch, it should turn on. And then if I turn it off, there we go. Yep, that's fine. And that's pretty good right there. So we've got our main thing right there. Just gonna make the screen a bit bigger. Should I just make it full? Yeah, because Arduino code doesn't actually go all the way out. That's fine. I can just have that little Sony my camera, just looking down on it. So, okay, so we got 7 done. Let's, well, actually, let me make the font a bit bigger so y'all can see it. So we're gonna go for 7. We're gonna go for 6 now. Alright. Done uploading. Okay. So that means if I push button number 2 up. Yep, works. Fine. 2 off. 2 on. And just to check to see if none of the other ones are connected. Yep, 1, 3, and 4 are also up. So as long as it didn't turn on when those were up, that's good. So 2 on, that one off. Okay. So 6 is good. 5. Now we're kind of in the middle here. I gotta move this cord really quick, because that's kind of like upending the other one. All right, so 5. It's done uploading. Yep, nope, just by that little there. So 3 is up, and it's on. Let's go 4, because I'm pretty sure at this point everything works on the board. I just want to make sure everything works. Yep, okay. So the board is fine. We've tested it. We've literally tested each one of the switches, changing it to some other value on here. So we also tested all the LEDs, so that means our board is good, and if anything's wrong, it's going to be our code. So cool. That means I gotta actually do this now. Woo! So first things first, you know, we're just, to be fair, we're gonna just probably change all of this. Okay, so we're just gonna edit this code, and you know, I'm just gonna copy and paste a lot of this stuff. Just take that out. You know what? Copy. We got what? 5 LEDs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that goes for 11, 10, 9, 8. All right. So we're gonna do blue. No, wait. Yeah, 12 is blue, green, yellow, red, and multi. Was pin 4 pin 4 on, yeah, okay, so that was 4 on that. So we're also gonna do, we're also gonna change in the comments. Blue, green, yellow, red, multi. Alright, so that, we got comments in there, so that way if anybody actually does want to go back through my code, we don't have to put in a lot more work for that. And my whole system just shook when I did that. Alright. So, Yeah, okay. So we're gonna try and do a bit more. Okay, so we gotta do the buttons next. Alright. Oh. We're gonna do comments. Switch. Dip switch 4. Copy, paste, paste, paste. 3, 2, 1. And that's 5, 6, and 7. There we go. Okay, so we got all of our inputs there. Okay, we're just gonna copy and paste this really quick wherever it says LED pin, just so I can verify that it works. Oh, yeah, oh, shit. 4, 3, 2, 1. Forgot to change those. Oh, and I'll probably have to copy that. Change every pin button. Alright. Verify that. Cool. Alright, so our code works. It's done compiling. If anything, because I like to do that so that way if we do not, if we run into a problem, we check it every once in a while to make sure there is no problem. Now that there's no problem, if anything happens, okay, so we're going to save this as streamer timer. This is going to be the V3. This is going to be version 3. For me, at least. Alright. Now we're going to do this. 2, 3, 4. We're going to have the button state for 4, 3, 2, 1. Or 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's fine. Alright. Pin mode. Okay, so we gotta make all, okay. So 3, 4. Okay. Oh, wait, no. 5. There. And because proper coding dictates that you indent for every time you have a bracket. There we go. All right. We're going to make each one of these LEDs be an output. There we go. Now we're going to do the same thing with the inputs. And this is why the old code won't work. Because for analog, you don't need to put it as an input. The code will automatically, Arduino will do something internally and just, you know, have it work as an input. If you do an analog read. All right, so we're going to verify this really quick. Oh. Because I forgot to change the button state, because originally it was just button state. But now that we have 4 of them, I have to put the little button, the number there. So anyways, you know what we're just going to do? We're going to now just copy this again several times. Now what this does is it's going to Oh wait, do I have my... Did it just kind of like derp out? I think it did. Anyways, so now we're gonna have, the button state is equal to what the button pin in is. So if it's pressed, basically what we're doing here is having this as the variables we change. So these button states are just to remind the computer or the Arduino that it's either going to be, the switch is going to be on or off. Now, with that said, you need to make sure whatever the computer remembers is what's there. So you got to read what it is, and then it's going to be in the memory right here. So the first thing we're going to do when in our main code, our setup code's all done. This is just making sure that there's pin modes, each one, and then it's going to read the buttons. And alright. So now we're going to get into a bunch of if statements. Let me verify this is okay. Next, we're going to upload it to the board. So right now it's going to keep on trying to find... Oh. Wait, is it that one? Okay. Yeah, no. Okay, so if dip switch 1 is on, the LED is on. So that's good. Okay. You can see the on switch. That's the number 1's on, the blue one's on. Okay, so it's reading everything correctly, and we've gotten to a point where I think these shouldn't be in the loop. It should be read on the startup of your code and shouldn't be done again, because if you swap during it makes it easier, so that way when it's turned on, it will always do the same thing, because you're gonna have the dip switches on before you start, and you can always hit the reset button if you ever, on the Arduino right there, if you ever wanted to change this. I should really put a reset button in on the next version of this board, just so it's there. But yeah, no, I think that's the best way to do things. And if you want to change the code, when I release this as a thing, feel free to mess with the code whenever. Yeah. So okay. So we're gonna do this one. Okay. So if it's equal to high, we're gonna. Oh man. Yep. Okay. So write the blue to high. We're gonna get rid of this else statement. We're just going to do a bunch of if statements. If it's high, write blue high. Oh, wait. No. Wait. So when you're coding everything in the beginning, to make everything work, generally you like to reset the pins after you've put them all there. So digital write low, because sometimes in the memory of the Arduino, sometimes it messes up. And it will, yeah, it'll just, oh, no. I want a small d. There we go. If the pin was on before, sometimes it'll make it so that it'll be on the next time it activates. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that they're all low when they come out. Alright, so now we got that done. There we go. Makes sure everything, all lights are low. There we go. Alright, so now that it's high. Okay, so now I gotta think of how I'm doing this. So I'm thinking button state 1 is gonna be for 15 minutes. Button state 2 is gonna be for 30 minutes. 3 is 45. And an hour for the other one, for number 4. So we're gonna do that up here. We're gonna write, we're gonna do this, switch 1 equals 15 minutes, switch 2 equals 30 minutes, switch 3 equals 45 minutes, switch 4 equals 60 minutes. Alright, and I think that's pretty good right there. We're gonna save the code. I'll save, because I've done this much so far, and when you get to this point you're like, if this whole thing crashes. Alright, so button states 1, okay, so high. So then we're gonna put a delay in here. I'm thinking blue LED is equal to start. Green LED is equal to halfway. Yellow LED is equal to, what am I thinking of, 5-minute or 10-minute mark? 5-minute mark. Red LED equals time, and multi LED is gonna be equal to 5 minutes over. Alright. So when you program something, you gotta figure out all the conditions of what you want it to do. Because it's when you don't have a set structure, your code can just go out of control. When it's focused and directed, it's great. That's what you need for coding, is to be clear and concise. Otherwise, it just really freaks out. So, anyways, so when it's on, the blue light's on. All right. Delay. So the delay function is in seconds, and that's how many seconds in between the command you just gave and the next command. So, and this is in milliseconds, so 1000 equals 1 second. Alright, so since they're doing switch 1 right now, we're coding for switch 1. Switch 1 is going to be... Alright, 15 minutes. So the green one is going to be the next one. So copy that. And we're going to put in green LED. It's going to be high. So in between 15-minute mark is going to be 7 minutes 30 seconds. So calculator. 60 times 7, 42 plus 30, 450. 450 seconds. 450. And then times that by 1,000. And we're good. So it's gonna be okay, so it's what was it now? 15 minutes divided by 2 equals 7.5 times 60 equals 7.5 times 60, yeah. 450 seconds times 1,000 equals 1, 2, 3. There we go. Yeah. All right. A 5-minute till over mark. Okay. All right. So we're now at what is it now? It's 15 minutes minus 7.5 equals 7. Yeah, no, it's half. So minus 5 is 2.5 seconds. So we're just going to copy that instead of me writing that all over again. 15 minutes. Minus 5 equals 2.5. Minutes times 60 equals times 60, 150. Seconds times that is, yeah. There we go. And then the yellow one's coming. All right. And then we got to delay it and another delay. Plus 2.5. Equal, oh wait, it's another 2.5. Yep, so another one of these, and then the same time, because it's literally the same. You're waiting another 2.5 minutes for it to be done, and we're gonna do red Red LED pin high. And then 5 minutes. Oh, nope. Five minutes times 60 is 300? Yep, 300. 300 seconds. Here we go. And that's for the first one. And oof. Oh. I've been sitting here for a while now. So next, we're gonna do another if statement. So we're just gonna basically copy and paste each single one of these. 3, 4. There's gonna be 4, 3, 2. All right. So everyone. All right. So we can start on 2. All right. So basically, I'm gonna delete that because we already know from the first time. That's 30 minutes. Oh, where are we? Half that is 15 times 60. 900. And if y'all thought programming and electronics work was just easy and without math, you are sorely mistaken. Copy that. That there. Two equals 15. Divided by 2 is 15, and then we got to minus 10. Oh, minus 5, right? Yeah, minus 5, because then... Oh, wait, minus 10, because that'll be 5 minutes after. No, minus 5... Okay, so it's going to be minus 5, because 10 minutes are going to pass. And so it's going to equal 10. So we got to spend another 10 minutes there. Times 60 is 600. 6. Copy. Oh, wait, no. Yep, paste. Alright, then we gotta wait another 5 minutes. Wait, no, I did this wrong, didn't I? Oh, no. Wait. That's halfway. Oh, man, I screwed up something on the... Coding is stupidly hard. So... Oh. So it's always going to be 5 minutes. Between that and there. This one's always going to be... Oh, because this one's so freaking stupid. Okay, so this one's 15 minutes, 5.7. 7.5. Yeah, okay, so that one's... That's fine. $7.5. No, this one's 5. Okay, wait, calculator. Because I'm doing this all without paper, and it's honestly messing with me. 2.5 equals 10. So this one's always going to be 5 minutes. Yeah, no, I messed up here. Bad. It's always going to be 5 minutes on this one. Oh, shoot, I also forgot the multi. Multi-LED. I put the... Oh. Yep, nope. Okay, so... 5 minutes, so 5 times 60 equals... Wait, no. Wait, no. Wait, no. I am crashing really hard right now. Logic dictates. I know the correct order of everything. I just don't know. No, I'm doing it right. Okay, so it equals 300. 300. 3. Oh, wait, no. Times 1,000 equals 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Copy. Paste. And then this is basically the same thing right here. Okay, so copy V. So these last two are always going to be 5 minutes long. Alright, save it, verify this, make sure that's all good. Okay, there we go. Alright. Oh, it's getting bad right now. Alright, so we're just gonna press on and hopefully finish this. Because, yeah, the last two are always gonna be the same. It's just the first two calculations need to be different. 45. Oh. Okay, so. Alright. This one's going to be 45 divided by 2. 45 divided by 2 is 22.5. Nope. And then... Nope. I can't do that yet. Oh no. You guys don't even see the calculator. Whoop. There we go. So I got, alright. So it's 22.5. Times 60. Copy. Seconds times that. One, two, three. Copy. There we go. Okay, so 22 minutes in. The green light turns on. Then I want to calculate. Okay, so copy this. Alright, so I gotta do 22.5 minus 5 yeah minus 5, which equals 22.5 minus 5, 17.5, 0.5 times 60, $10.50. Copy that and paste that there. All right. There we go. And then the next one's 5 minutes. Wait 5 minutes, red light. Then wait 5 minutes for overtime. And there we go. All right. So next one is going to be 60. All right. 5 by 2 is 30. Times 60 is 18. With 2 zeros at the end. That's fine. Copy. Copy that. There. And then... Okay, so it's 30 minus 5 is 25. Times 60 is 0. 5 times 6 is 30, so that's 0. Carrying the 3. Say 15. Wait, seriously? Did I do that right? 25 times 60. Hey, I did that right. Cool. Copy. Control V. There we go. Copy. V. and then 5 minutes and 5 minutes, and we're done. All right, so this is the code. I'm gonna move these notes up to the top because that's where these notes should go. Put a by me, and streamer timer version 3.0. There we go. Save. We're gonna clean up this code a bit, move some of the spacing. Move that up some. We're gonna put a space here just to differentiate between these two. We're gonna bring this up. We'll put a space there in between each one of these codes. Move this up. And we should just save it. We're good as is. And now I can upload this code. Compiling sketch. Done uploading. Okay. Oh, no. I didn't do it right. No. I forgot about the one major thing. So when this is all done, it will keep checking down the line. And if one of these other, so what I have it right now is if button 1 is up, it'll do everything here. But also if button 2's also up, then it'll go on to the next one, and the next one, and then the next one. What I want to do is put a delay in between. No, it's fine, actually. Because you need to reset the entire thing before the buttons will turn low. So it needs to reset anyways. So all the buttons will be turned on, and if you turn them on again, it doesn't matter. So I think we're good there. Yeah, no, this is it. I think this is how I'm gonna keep this code for right now. So, thank you guys for tuning in. I think I'm gonna be going now. I've uploaded the code. Let's see if it... Okay, so the first one turns blue. I actually should have done this before. So we can, maybe speed this up a little. You know what? We're gonna write in some code of our own. This is gonna be for 1 second delay in between them. This is gonna be for 2 seconds of delay in between them, followed by 3 seconds of delay in between them. Followed by another 3 seconds of delay in between them. Alright, let's upload this one and see how it goes. Because I don't want to wait the entire 15 minutes. So it should do 1 second, then the green, then another 2 seconds, then the yellow, then another 3 seconds, then the red, then another 3 seconds, and then the multicolor, and that's cool. All right, so let's try it with 2 different ones going. All right, so let's switch 1 and 2 on. Now again, this thing won't reset at all unless you hit the reset switch on the Arduino. So we got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, there we go. 1, 2, 3, bam. And then it goes on to code number 2. But because it's just going to be high all the time, it doesn't matter. So, alright, that's good. Alright, so I just need to delete these. Reset it back to the proper way. Because I'm going to test these on streams. And if need be, I can rewrite the code there. But until then, you guys saw how I wrote the code. And how I'm doing this. So, have a wonderful afternoon, evening, night. Thank you for watching me, for everyone in chat. And I hope to see you guys next time when we actually do our sonic sensor, our build for our sonic sensor. I got the board right here, ready to go. And that's going to be our next project. So until then, bye.